This video will show you how to assemble the event bar dome. You'll need 3 people to complete the setup. First of all, get the largest black bag and open it up. In here you'll see the frame and the table wrap. Take out the frame and place the black bag with the table wrapped to one side. Place the frame on the floor with the Velcro tabs facing upwards and 2 people standing at each opposite end. Gently expand the frame lengthwise and slowly open the frame with each person moving towards each other to get its circular height. Connect all of the yellow hooks on the top and the bottom. Then connect the shelf brackets in the middle. When you're holding the frame down, please remember to check that all of the yellow hooks are separated. Now go back to the black bag and take out the table wrap, which we will now place around the frame. Unfold the wrap and begin hooking the table wrap eyelets over the hooks, positioned on the corners of the frame on both the top and the bottom. Begin opening the next bag with the countertops in and start placing them one by one with the larger side facing outwards and connecting the Velcro on the bottom of the countertop with the Velcro on the top of the frame. Ensure to align them edge to edge for a perfect fit. Start by opening the bag which has the rods, disc and the cover in. Take out the cover and place it on the countertop. Do the same with the disc and the rods. Begin by putting the threaded section of the disc through the hole at the top of the fabric. Place and tighten the thumb screw onto the threaded section. Now assemble the rods to their full length and place half of the rods into the disc at the top of the cover. When placing the rods into the disc, leave the extended part of the rod on the top of the counter to balance the rods out. With 2 people standing on the outside of the dome and 1 person in the middle, begin flipping the rods over and start spreading the cover out to expose the empty spaces in the disc, which will allow you to add the final rods. The next step is to pull the cover over the other half of the rods. Once this is done, stand at an equal distance apart from each other. Pick up a rod in each hand and all together begin lifting the rods in an upwards position and carefully place the rods into the table bracket mounts. Once the frame is sturdy and all of the rods are in the correct positions, pull the fabric tight and place eyelets over the table bracket hooks. Finally, ensure the rods have been hooked on with the Velcro straps, which are positioned on the inside of the cover. The event bar dome is a versatile option for any indoor or outdoor occasion. This bar is roomy enough for 3 to 4 people at any one time. The high-quality water-repellent domed top and sides can be printed with your own vibrant designs with either digital or screen-printed options.